Hey everybody, welcome to Trade Confident. Guys, we're going to go over the charts today. Bitcoin is making a run for it right now, and this is really interesting. We are literally 1.76% away from our break-even entry on Bitcoin. So is Bitcoin going to keep moving up here? We're going to talk about this, look at some indicators as well as the metrics we have over here, because we are seeing some bullish signs, and this could be targeting this resistance of $52,000. I think if this bull run keeps running by next week, we could possibly see this by next, I would say conservatively, probably by next Thursday or Friday, we could actually be hitting about $52,000. Now, there's an argument here that says, okay, this market is overextended. What about a move back down? So we're going to take a look at that as well. All right, guys. Currently, we just won our 105th win in a row, guys. This came out yesterday. This was on XRP. We don't have XRP anymore on the website because we replaced it with some other coins. But I want to let you guys know that that's where we're at. And we're about to take another win. Our 106th win is most likely going to be on Avalanche, just so you guys can see this. We are now sitting up here on Avalanche, just a little bit higher. We're 8.37%. Mana is also going to probably be another win. We're currently up 1.71%. And it is looking very good over here. So guys, I will show you in this video of how to get into our metrics, how to get into our Telegram channel to take all these trades with me. Okay, I'll show this to you guys in this video. I want to go over the technical analysis first, so let's dive in here, but I will show that to you guys. All right, let's take a look at the indicators. Let's give ourselves an idea of where we can be heading here. We're seeing that majority of the retail trader indicators here for the market, they're looking at the RSI, stochastic, MACD, and the moving averages. We're mostly bullish. Clearly, we've got 5 out of 6 indicators here, very green. So this, to me, tells me that retail traders are still looking to pump this market up here. I'm also going to show you guys how the market cap is actually increasing on Bitcoin right now, which means more money is flowing into Bitcoin than other coins. We're going to go over that, okay? A lot of good stuff in this video. Let's take a look down here. Let's go to the price versus the money flow and the trend exhaustion. We can see here that although we have a high and we are literally very close to pushing up to another higher high, looking for price action to go up, I do want to bring this to our attention, that we have money flowing out of the market here. This is very clear to see. This is the green line. Price action in pink. We have the green line here, the money flow. When money is moving out of the market like this, this can trap people to the upside. When I say people, I mean people going long, okay, which can form what's called a bull trap. I'll explain this. Another reason why I'm kind of adamant about showing this to you guys here is that a bull trap can be had here also, not because of money is flowing out of the market and then we have a higher high, officially a higher high here. The trend exhaustion is now pushed up into the top red section here where we look for this indicator, guys, to help us call moves back down in the market. Previous time we got up in the top red section, we ended up dropping. The time before that, we ended up consolidating into a drop, and the time before that, we ended up seeing a move back down. This is why I show you guys on these videos the past data of what's happened. Look at these last 2 times here. Money flow high, trend exhaustion high, and we see this move back down, and we can see it right here as well. Trend exhaustion high, money flow high, we see a drop back down. Sorry, guys. My golden retriever is drinking water like right next to me, so I'm sorry if you can hear that. I just couldn't go on without making a joke. Okay, with the accuracy of this is what I'm looking for right now in the market. Because what are we seeing? Yes, we have divergence, but as the price is moving up here, we are now in the top section of the trend exhaustion. Money flow is starting to head back up here. So I want you guys to be careful on this, that just because you see it moving up here, I do believe with the accuracy of these 2 indicators, which is about 75 to 80% accurate, we need to be looking for that other move back down. Yes, it can come up here to structure highs, but I don't think this is going to be a straight shot to $52,000, which some people may think because they're trying to trade the breakout right now. So let's give ourselves a little bit more data. These 3 indicators, you guys can get in the description so you can have them to watch the markets and predict the moves like we do. It's called the bundle pack. It's 82% off right now. You guys can snag that below. I highly recommend you guys do that. These are the indicators we use to call exits, and it's how we've gone 105 for 105 wins. Okay, that along with the risk management. Let's deep dive right now into the actual metrics for Bitcoin. The way you access this is on our website at tradeconfident.io. You guys can sign up with your membership right now. It's going to go up to $95 a month starting the February 25th this month. You guys have literally 15 days left, and then this is going to be going up. So lock your membership in here at 49, and this will give you access to Telegram channel, Inner Circle, and the Masterclass. Let's go. So come over here and click Trade Metrics and Setup, and then click Bitcoin. The emotional index and all of these charts that you're about to see have already updated this morning. So this is crisp, raw data that we have to work with right now. We are in the emotional section of excited on Bitcoin. Do you see what happened last time we got into the excited area? And then the previous time before that, we are seeing the market move back down. This is where retail traders are getting excited that the market is quote unquote gonna keep going to the moon, which that actually never happens. Everything has pullbacks in the market, okay? Let's move down and give ourselves more data to work with here. Long versus short trades up here on the blockchain for Bitfinex. This is interesting. We could be seeing, like I said in the beginning of this video, what did I say, guys? I said Thursday or Friday of next week. I'm not calling out this weekend, not Monday or Tuesday. I think we're gonna need time. But I do believe we could see a structure high up here of about $52,000 by Thursday or Friday of next week. The reason for this, for an argument here, for those of you guys who are like, I think it's going to go to the roof. Well, let me side with you for a second. What we're seeing over here is short trades are actually moving out of the market while price is going up, and long trades are increasing. This is a bullish sign. That's why I'm more bullish on this than bearish. I think this overall uptrend will sustain itself going through February, but it will have a higher low formation at one point before we keep going back up. Obviously, because everything can't just go straight up, okay? So I am bullish. The interesting thing about this, however, is that usually when price starts moving up, you see short trades increase to actually short the market because it's overextended. The reason why I think we could keep heading up here and get to this 52,000 is because short trades are out of the market. Short trades are moving out. And this is updated data. Literally, it's not even like 2 hours old here. This is updated. So we're seeing long trades enter the market and short trades move out. This is bullish. Unarguably, this is bullish. That's what I want to do for this channel, guys. No bias stuff. Let's forget that. Let's use actual real data of what's happening on blockchains and on-chain metrics, okay? Take a look at the market cap strength. What we can see here, if we dial in here, let me make this a little bit bigger. You guys can actually see the market cap, the percentage that Bitcoin takes up for the overall market cap is increasing over the last 3 days. It's increasing with price. This shows me that people, when they see this market move up here, that they're confident that they could see Bitcoin go higher versus other coins and tokens. Why? Because the market cap is shifting back over into Bitcoin. When this goes up here, it means that the market cap is moving out of other coins, because this shows the percentage of what Bitcoin takes up, Bitcoin's market cap, relative to the overall market cap. Does that make sense? So when the market cap goes up here, it shows increased buying interest. So as this is moving up here, this is a bullish sign. Okay, so we're seeing some bullish signs here that we could be seeing this bar right here take out, even honestly, guys, some stop losses on short trades. So let me explain that. This is another bullish sign I'm seeing. Let me explain this to you guys. When this came up here, and a lot of people went short right here, because they were, even people who used our metrics, we don't personally short, but people who did, they shorted right here. When people short, they put their stop losses at previous structure highs. Okay, that structure high has been hit, and we hit that up there a little bit, and we're moving back down. If this gets any higher, if this goes to $48,000, that's official break of the stop loss, and it's going to start squeezing short trades into their stop losses if they have not already. If this starts moving up here, people going long are going to keep going long. People who have buy stop orders trading the breakout, they're already going long. And if the short squeeze happens and short traders then switch to long trades, this is going to pump this up to $52,000. No doubt. Like, that's easily structure high up here that we can be hitting by next week, okay? Let's move down, give ourselves a little bit more data here, and we'll keep going over this. Trades in favor, we are pushed up here into the good short trade area. Just look at where we've come from. So as I'm showing you guys these metrics, yes, there are some bullish metrics in here, but I do believe, let me say this a different way, this will help you guys. In a macro view of the market, we are in an uptrend, and I do believe this has this potential to sustain itself in an uptrend. But a micro view, these smaller view timeframes, I do think this could possibly be a fake out to the upside and then see a move back down, and then the continuation happening. I don't think this is going to be a green bar that just goes straight up like this and even higher lows, but goes up really fast. I do believe there's going to be a higher low formation before we start moving up further. I'm saying that because I can see this with the data over here that yes, we have some bullishness in the market, but this is the angle of ascension is too it's too high. Okay, you need. Okay, let me see if I'm explaining this right. Let me go back to this bull over here. Yes, this can happen over here where it goes up really fast, and yeah, that could be a possibility. But it's actually even for a downtrend, it's when you have these moves back, and these nice lower high, higher low formations, and then in an uptrend, a low, a high, and a higher low. It's actually the pullback that makes it healthy to continue up. When you just get a flash bull run up, that's when you need to watch for the big drops back down. Let's take a look at this. Well, and institutional smart money. Did they come out here and look for short trades? Yes. But what happened over here is they look for the short trades right around here. Do you guys know that not all Wells and institutions make the market happen, make drop every single time? Yes, the accuracy is insane over here with our metrics, and you guys can trade with these. But what are you seeing and what am I seeing? Look at this drastic pullback here of short trades. They're like, oh my gosh, it kept going up. So they're pulling short trades back. It's not as an aggressive of a purchase. Okay, this does help show us that because they're pulling short trades off the table here, as well as we can see this happening clearly over here from a blockchain metric, short trades moving out, this is giving way to long traders. And that's why the market's going up here. It's just a mathematical equation we're working with. Okay, support and resistance prices here. We're seeing up here around $45,000 was the next resistance. That was this level right there that you guys can see. After this, the next resistance, in my opinion, is the 52,000. Now, as far as a higher low formation, we could see the market come back down here for Bitcoin at about 30, I'm going to call this 39,000, but we'll round this to 40,000. Okay, 40,000 is structure low. That is right here. I do think it's possible for Bitcoin to come back down here, but I think the days of coming down below this level may be over in this bull run. I don't think we're going to come back down here around to 35,000. This has been a clear break of a descending wedge, and when we broke out from here, we just took off. So this could be a precursor to eventually a $70,000 move, but I don't want to get too aggressive on here. I want to predict this, that I think by the end of next week, Thursday or Friday, we could be sitting at about $52,000, and I am seeing bullishness in the market. But in the micro, the smaller view, watch for the smaller drop, but then overall watch for the market to continue up. That's what I'm seeing here. If the metrics change, I'll update you guys. It's why we watch it every single day. But with the data we have now, that's what we can see. Dollar cost average entries here, and then I'll show you guys how to get into a trade for Bitcoin so you can make some money. And then I'll show you guys how to trade with our program here. We're seeing here that Bitcoin's going up. Awesome. You guys are holding this for 5 to 10 years, 20 years, as long as you guys want. As the market goes up, you guys are going to be able to get other entries here with green lines, basically giving you great dollar cost average entries here as it moves up. Something I do want to point out, exit points here. We are seeing that this big block is coming out here, and this is why I'm telling you guys, I don't think it's just going to keep heading up. Guys, if you wake up tomorrow or over the weekend and you see Bitcoin drop, you need to celebrate. It's going to be healthy for Bitcoin to drop back down and then actually see them move back up. Okay, it's honestly very, very healthy. Okay, let's move down here. How do you guys actually real quick, sorry guys, the death cross. Are we still in death cross? Yes. The 50 moving average is below the 200-day moving average. When the 50 is above the 200, that's what's called a golden cross, and we're not currently there. So yes, the overall market is still in a death cross, so we'll watch that. All right, let me show you guys how to get into this trade setup. Now, obviously, we have 12 different coins that we're trading over here. So if you go to trade metrics and setups, all of these coins you guys can trade right now. Like I'm trading all these with you. Our account's still doing really well. We're at 145,200, 150s break even. Let me show you guys, and let's keep Bitcoin in view here, how to set up a trade right now for Bitcoin. You can do this for all of our trades, okay? As we see the market cap increasing over here for Bitcoin relative to the entire market, this shows me interest is peaking in Bitcoin right now. So I would suggest that you guys look to get a trade set up in Bitcoin to take advantage of this if it starts moving up. But here's the question. Are you just going to throw money in the market? Or are you guys going to use a strategy that has never caused us to lose a trade? Ever. We've never lost a trade. We have the highest win rate in all of YouTube. Here's how you guys are going to do this. And I'm not a financial advisor, but here's how I trade in a lot of our traders. Okay, let's say you have $1,000 you want to trade with. What I'm suggesting this morning is you guys look at this chart, split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions, so $250 each. Place $250 at each of the 4 buy limits in yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Super simple. They're very bright. You can't miss them. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up the sell limit in green for a 100% exit. That's all you guys are doing. This is so simple, all right? Once you do that, you can get me literally as a coach in the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits for all of our trades. This is where we're winning all of our 105 for 105 wins in the Telegram channel. So click this once you guys sign in to the membership, and you guys will actually get a hot link over here so you can access all this. Even when I exit a trade, guys, and when I enter into a new trade, I'm telling you when I do that so you can take advantage of that, because we already made profit on this. Guys, we made 51.83% on a mana trade, 50% of that trade, 51.83. Then we got in, we won that trade again. And now we're in the mana trade again, and we're about to win that trade. This is crazy how fast we're turning over trades now. So if you guys want to trade with us, like, do this. Get into the membership that you guys saw and start trading with us. Okay, last but not least, the indicators that we have right now are very important that you guys use these to predict market moves. Again, I know I'm a broken record on this, but all of our wins have been taken by allowing us to look at the tops of the markets before we see drops back down. It helps us get out at peak prices. The indicators you guys want to get, the ones that you are going to love having on your team and on your side every morning to check in your tool belt when you trade, is the price for swell money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. These three indicators are the three you see right here. Purchasing these three, guys, it's 40% off right now. Use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout. The best thing to do is to get the bundle pack because we have it 42% off on top of what the discount is with the coupon code for these three. So you're saving 82% off on all of our indicators. And not only are you going to pay the same price for these three basically as the bundle pack, but you're going to get 6 indicators on top of this for a total of 9. You'll get all of these, even 2 Forex indicators that no one's ever been able to code these on TradingView before, and they are amazing. We already have people making money with these, and you can look at the testimonials if you guys want up here of people who are actually making money with them. It's honestly like really, really amazing what people are able to do. Okay, guys, those are the indicators. I put a link to the indicator bundle pack as well as the membership, so you guys can sign up here and get over here. This is how we're trading. So make sure you guys lock in your membership, secure it before February 25th this month. Like, just do this today, guys. Click the link in the description, get over here, and I think you guys are going to love this. Watch the master classes as well. That's going to unlock everything for you guys. And I do have another one coming out this next week. So make sure you guys are watching all this. You're going to learn so much. And then we also are going to have an inner circle meeting. So we're going to start going live on Zoom just for our members, March 10th. 3 to 4 p.m. Guys, mark the date down. It's going to be awesome. I'm going to send out a Zoom invite link. We're all going to hang out on Zoom, and I'm going to talk about the markets and give you guys, like, feel free to ask me on this thing. You guys, I'll let you guys ask questions like, Travis, what's your favorite coin right now? What coin do you feel like is going to, do really well in the next 3 months? If you guys come to me in the chat, you're hundreds of people are going to be on this call. So if you come on and you're like, all right, Travis, my trade right now is down 10%. What do I do? How do I manage that? I can help you guys with all of that. And everyone's going to learn together as a family. That is going to be awesome, and you guys can access that once you guys have your membership. All right, guys, I know sometimes it seems like a sales video, but seriously, if you want to make money, guys, I'm trying to show you that we're doing this and we're helping people do this very well. And I think you guys are going to love what we have over here. So congratulations for everyone who had 105 for 105 wins, who've been joining us for a long time. And I'll keep you guys updated. Bitcoin is looking like it is more bullish than bearish over the long term, but I want you guys to watch for the short term drop down and then the move possibly back up to 52,000 by next Thursday or Friday. God bless you guys. Everything you need is in the description, and I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.